Hello, aspiring entrepreneurs. Today, pag-uusapan natin ang mga excuses at alibis sa tuwing may mga opportunities na pinipresenta sa atin. Narinig natin, walang oras, busy, hindi para sa akin yan, hindi ako marunong yan. Dapat nating malaman na ang mga excuses and alibis are distractions from taking responsibility and making real progress. Well, oo nga naman, ang pagbibigay ng dahilan ay makapagbigay ng temporary comfort and explanation. But in the long run, they hinder growth and learning. Anong kailangan natin para magtagumpay? Success requires accountability, perseverance, and the willingness to confront challenges heads-on rather than blaming external factors. Embracing responsibility and taking consistent action is what ultimately drives achievement, not avoiding hard truths with excuses. Kailangan nating tanggapin ang katotohanan na hindi lahat ay nakukuha sa diskarte lamang. Kung wala kang pagpupursige, sipag at tiyaga, ay wala ka ring mapapala. Nagpapasalamat talaga ako na pinasok ko ang digital business na ito dahil naging mas lalong positibo ang pananaw ko sa buhay. Of course, I was skeptical at first, but my faith won over fear. Kaya no more excuses. So take the risk, keep going, and keep the faith. This has been your business mentor, Anne Headstrom, saying thank you for joining. See you next time. Take care and God bless us all.